some what?
Boating.
Boating.
I got a raft river boat. Buddy, it's quite over.
You can't go with that boat.
I gotta put this on my YouTube.
That's beautiful.
I didn't sign a film waiver to release my photo.
That's not good. How's that opening?
I don't even know how to open that. Ah!
Hello,
I got it.
No. I can't jump into that.
Oh, there's water. Well, they'll have to wait longer to get out.
I don't think you'll be able to get it.
Ah! I'm gonna get all soft and wet. Okay.
Yeah, up the current. Come on.
I think I can.
You guys are crazy.
Oh, I didn't know there was that much water.
There's Josh over there. Over there. And there's Guy. Woo-wee. And they're boating. RC boating.
Yeah, they bought two. The other one, I would have bought one too, but it would have been on the same frequency as his, so I couldn't use it.
Nana, can you open that so I can try to get a good shot?
Well, honey, if we open it, it's just going to be water.
Well,
Full water right there. Sorry.
Well, I need to get that away. Get over there. Huh.
Yours is faster than mine.
I need to get over there.
This work?
You're not going to get over there, honey.
Why? It won't.
No way.
Why not?
You can stand up on the chair.
Actually, I need to get over the fence.
Well, you can't get over there because there's water.
Here he goes.
Actually, I can set the camera here and climb.
Well, can you, don't you get the camera wet? The chair might slip, so you have to be careful.
We're stuck on base.
Oh,
Here. I'm gonna put another chair at the other side. On the other side, so I can get around.
You're stuck. Alright, she needs assistance.
Okay, I'm coming down to get a better shot.
Ah, I got stuck.
Crap. Thomas, you got shorts on.
Hey, somebody's doing something naughty on my boat.
I'm good. Woo! God, it's long enough to reach his. I think I'm getting close.
I don't know. What are you trying to do?
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
Get his unstuck.
Oh.
I think I'm clogged.
Yeah, you're clogged.
Well, put them in the mud.
Hey, let's go play in the road. There's no sticks.
Yeah.
Where's Megan?
She's,
Yes.
she's inside.
Throw it.
Oh, yeah.
Here, give it to me.
That's not true.
Yes, and I'm losing my shoe. Okay, let me get down. There. Try that again. Let me get that. I'm trying to reach.
Yeah, let me grab mine really quick. Let me grab mine. Yeah, I don't think it'll reach. Let me grab mine.
Go get yours.
And then I'll dislodge you.
Don't come a knocking if the boat's rocking.
And
Something's got my boat. Turn.
we had a whole bunch of seaweed.
Or river weed.
River reed.
Well, at least we know they don't sink. Maybe I should have got the jet ski.